It's completely changed my life. When my son got married and all the photos was being taken, I realised then that I wasn't happy about the way I looked, not having hair. So I really looked into it then. I didn't just look at Wimpole. I'd heard of Wimpole, but I thought that I probably wouldn't be able to afford to get it done with these, you know. So I looked at other ones. Really, what I was finding was a little bit alarming. I wasn't sure. They couldn't give us any definitive price or where it would be done and stuff like this. Then I found out Wimpole had opened this clinic here, which is on my doorstep. I had a consultation with one of the guys working here, and he just put us at ease, worked the price out, and I thought, right, I can afford this. And it's been life-changing ever since. I just feel more confident and I'm happy with the way I look, you know. I started losing my hair from my late 20s, early 30s, and it's just so gradual. You hardly notice it, but as the years go by, you start to look in the mirror and you thought, I'm not happy about losing any more, you know. But it just keeps on going and going till I literally have nothing on the top. So that's when I decided I've got to do something about it. I think I was a little bit, when I came in, because it's a little bit of the fear of the unknown. You really don't know. You don't know what to expect. But they put you at ease, and they're absolutely fine. They obviously shave your head because, you know, they identify where they're taking the grafts. They sort of draw on with where your hairline's going to be and stuff like that. Once they get you frozen up, it's just nothing to worry about. It's just a little bit discomfort. You feel tugging, you know. But once they get the grafts out, it's just no bother at all. You just relax and they put them in and job done, you know. But I would say it's probably a good few months before you see the hair starting to come through. Then when it does come through, it's quite quick, and it's you know, it's just marvellous to see hair coming through instead of just losing it. If you follow everything they tell you, you really can't go wrong. And they contact you every day to see how you're coping, and you send photos in, and you really can't go wrong. Everybody's so supportive now. Everybody knows now. And I mean, I was actually talking to my mother. She's still alive the other day. She's 85, and she looked at us and she said, you know what it is? It's knocked years off you, getting your hair back. So to me, that is, you know, brilliant. You don't need to live the rest of your life feeling daunted by hair loss or, well, you know, there's places to go, and like say Wimpole, and it's just life-changing. I've already told people, I just would not use anybody else. They really are the best.